So this is a flatter, and what this does is when you're trying to finish your work, if you've got like lumps and bumps in it, you put this on top of your piece and then you hammer right here on the top. And so it's kind of like a die on a handle, or I guess a punch on it's similar to our punches, but this is a flatter on a stick. So if I were to buy this and use it, I wouldn't hammer my hand like I always end up doing. So this is for finish work. So it flattens out all of our pieces and